Ernie, what's in her hair?
A cicada.
What is it?
A cicada.
You better get him. Hurry up. Get him, Ernie.
Take a picture.
He's fine. You're okay. Stay still, Avery. Pull him out.
I'm trying.
Good job, Avery. You okay? Ernie saved you. Good job, Ernie. You think he'll sing for us? He's trying to. Okay, let him go. Oh, he's singing.
No, Roscoe. No.
Avery, listen to him sing. Roscoe, get him. Where's that noise? How do you think he makes that noise, Ern?
Cracking his legs.
Cracking his legs?
Mhm.
Really?
Mhm. I don't see his mouth moving.
Can you see his eyes?
Yeah.
How many eyes does he have?
2. Like we do. Mhm. Like Roscoe too.
Legs?
Yeah, 2.
How many legs does he have, Avery?
More than a human. No. Than He has 6. He has 6.
Is one of them a hand and one of them a foot?
Yeah.
Or are they all feet, or are they all hands?
All feet. All feet. 4 feet and 2 are hands. You see him? Oh man, he did that twice. He has a taste of rice.
Okay, Ern, say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Look at the camera, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Avery, say bye-bye, Cicada.
Bye bye, cicada.